Do you know what the sizes I have taken for this house? Every day I upload free house designs on my subscribers demand. So the beautiful container house you are watching on the screen, in this video I'll share the complete floor plan with all the sizes and details, so keep watching the video. So this is the floor plan of the house. The total area I have taken is width is 16 feet, in meter 5 meter, and the length is 20 feet, in meter 6 meter. So in the front we have a sliding door here. After that we will go inside. So we have living cum dining area here. The size of this area is 11 feet into 11 feet, in meter 3.35 into 3.35 meter. You can see here the sofa arrangement, tea table arrangement, and also TV unit on the front wall. And we have a dining counter with 2 chairs, and on the right side we have common use washroom plus water closet here. The size of the washroom is 4 feet into 6 feet 6 inches, in meter 1.21 into 1.98 meter. You can see here the wash basin, water closet, and the shower area, and we have a ventilator for ventilation of this washroom. Here is also 2 large size window for ventilation of this area. After that we'll go inside. So on the right side we have bedroom here. The size of the bedroom is 10 feet into 8 feet, in meter 3.04 into 2.43 meter. You can see here the bed arrangement and 2 large size window for ventilation and light purpose. And we have a TV unit on the front wall, and on the left side we have kitchen area. The size of the kitchen area is 5 feet into 8 feet, in meter 1.52 into 2.43 meter. You can see here the kitchen counter, the burner, sink, and refrigerator arrangement, and a large size window for ventilation of this kitchen. So this is the floor plan of the house you are watching on the screen. If you want your free house design, so comment below. If you like the video, keep watching the video. Stay tuned with my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks.